here we are with this lovely strong daylight sunny scene, and I'm at 4K XAVCS 100 megabits a second 30p, so therefore I want my shutter speed to be 1/60th and about f11 for this. But we have one huge problem: it's way overexposed here. So is there anything we can do? Well, two options. I can raise my shutter speed, which wouldn't be too bad for this scene because it isn't moving, but if you've got some movement, it's going to make things very choppy. So let's see where we would need to be. Let's get it down. Okay, 1/500th is where we would need to be to get it down, which certainly isn't ideal. Let's go back to our desired 180-degree rule at 30p, so 1/60th for the shutter speed. Let's try this. This is an ND filter. Let's see if this can save us from this terrible whitewash. Screwing it on now, just bear with me. The lens we're using is the 35mm Sonny's Ice 2.8, and this is a Hoya Pro ND8 49mm ND filter. And there you have it, 1/60th f11, correctly exposed. Sky looking good, colours looking good. We're using EOS HD colours for this. Not sponsored, not paid, just a great product. And there you have it. Let's just take that off now and see what it does. Away we go. And boom. Now that doesn't look very nice at all like that. Almost looks like we're filming it in log because it's so blown out. And there you have it, how ND filters can save your footage. And as usual guys, it's been emotional.